Hi there, welcome to the fourth video of our series Excel tutorial for beginners. In this video, you will be exploring the Clipboard group under Home tab. This group includes some of the most common actions you will use every day. For example, cut, copy, paste, and the format painter. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back. Clipboard basics. First, let's look at the clipboard itself. Think of it as a temporary storage area. When you copy and cut something, Excel holds it in memory until you paste it. You will see commands for cut, copy, paste, and format painter right here at the top of the Home tab. Copy and paste. To copy data, select a cell or range of cell and click copy or press Ctrl C. Then move to another location and click paste or press Ctrl V. Cut and paste. Cut works a little differently. Select a cell, click cut or press Ctrl X, then go to the new location and click paste or Ctrl V. This removes the data from the original place and moves it to the new location. Paste options. When you click the arrow under paste, you will see different options like keeping the formatting, pasting only values, or even transposing rows and columns. These options are very handy when you want control over how your data is pasted. Format painter. Finally, we have the format painter. This tool lets you copy formatting from one cell to another without copying the content. For example, if one cell has bold text and yellow background and currency formatting, you can use Format Painter to apply the same style to another cell. Just select the format cell, click Format Painter, then click the target cell. So in the Clipboard group, we learned how to copy, cut, paste with different options and how to use the Format Painter to copy formatting styles. These actions may seem simple, but you will use them constantly in Excel. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you learn something new. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.